Hey guys, hey family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Just want to share with you my clearance haul from Kroger. I always advocate after a holiday, go into these stores. They're ready to get rid of their seasonal items. And I went into Kroger and, I also advocate, I pay my bills, I stock up with groceries, and I fill my gas tank. Put money in the savings, and then I have a budget for inventory. Okay, so first things, they have these acrylic paint pots. They're 54 cents. It's by Essentials, and go to in the grocery stores, like in Walgreens, grocery stores, their stuff is like really, really reduced. They really have to get rid of them. So I got 4 of these. And this is a trunk haul. I'm doing my haul from the trunk. It's a beautiful day. The weather's nice and there's nice lighting. You guys don't get a lot of good lighting from me most of the time. Okay, so I got 4 of those. And to go along with them, they have a brush set. And these are 54 cents. So I got 4 of those to go with the paints. Okay. And they had these crayons for 30 cents, 16. And I got a bunch of crayons during Easter for, at least I got them for $1 at Family Dollar. Okay, 30 cents. I only found 3. And then they have Crayola, they have these coloring books. These are 54 cents. And they had others. They had Disney stuff. They had Paw Patrol stuff. It was reduced to like $1.97, and they still had good deals on that. But I was going for like the 50, the 50 cents and under stuff. If it was good, if it's good quality. This is 96 pages. Yeah, it's cute. Let's see what's inside here. These are nice. I'm gonna go on and put them back. I have to carry this stuff back in the house. 54 cents, guys. Okay, then they have these LOL printed eggs here. You get how many eggs here? 14 count. And they say they're printed eggs. They're easy to open, no shrink wrap, less waste, reusable. And these were $1.80. And I don't know how much the original price was, but I know LOL stuff isn't normally $1.80. So I found 2 of those, and these were on the shelf. They didn't have any prices on them, but I grabbed them anyway. And there was a lady at the clearance section, and she was marking down. She was just sitting down, marking down all this stuff. And I asked her, she says, "Oh, I didn't have a sticker on those." She said, "Oh, those are $1.80. So she put the sticker on there for me. Then I got the Crayola markers, 81 cents. And everyone in the store was just like asking me, wow, you got a lot of grandkids. And everyone was just asking me, just like amazed at my finds. So got 4 of these. needed some salad, so I went into Kroger, and halfway through my trip, I said, let me check the clearance. So, okay, then they have these Crayola chalks. These are reduced to 41 cents. There were other resellers in there. They were like, dang, you took all the good stuff. Okay, so these, so I found how many of these? Found 5. Okay, I got 5 of these. Still have a lot of Easter candy. So, and then I needed white baskets. It's hard for me to find white baskets that I like. So they had their baskets were like first $23. Then they marked them down to $11.99. And then with your Plus card, they'll ring up. These will ring up like $7.27, something like that. So these will be like my more expensive baskets. These will be like where I put my gourmet snack baskets and stuff like that. I will take this off. You know, and these baskets are bigger than the ones you get at Dollar Tree. And like I said, I needed white. I have every other color but white, so I took all the whites they had. So there's, and you can always put this with something else too. You have this, these covers. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They had them on a pretty pink. At first I had pink in my cart. I'm like, that's too much. You know, that just wasn't in the budget. So since I needed white, I just got all the whites. They have them in pink, purple, and a blue. These are nice. They still had like Peeps plushies. I think they were like marked down to like 7. Okay guys, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys to see what's going on out there. Check your grocery stores. This came from Kroger and Walgreens. They're doing pretty good. And you know, and like last year I got a bunch of my oh, I'm not gonna reach over there. Got a bunch of baskets, like 50 cents from Dollar Tree. Check your Family Dollars and your Dollar Generals. All right, so this concludes my clearance Kroger after Easter clearance trunk haul. All right guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. See you in my next video. All right, and if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. All right, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye Mom.